What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Trucking Into the Industry. Okay, check out the dishwashing. Also check out that eagle right there, you know. So in those couple of pages that I sent, showed you guys, I'm gonna read it out loud. The first page basically talks about in 2025, white drivers comprise the largest racial demographic in the trucking industry, approximately 72%. Blacks are African American drivers, represent 12%, and Hispanic and Latino drivers make up 8%. That's just the facts, okay? On the other page, guys, I basically asked, how is that possible? And it says historical underrepresentation of minority groups in the industry, social norms, and potential discrimination. And I was like, wow, didn't quite understand that. But you gotta understand it's 2025 and this is almost a century old industry. So things are changing, and the percentage of the minorities that even care about self-driving or any different type of trucking or the new era trucking are very, very slim, you know. And then the percentage of whites that are in the 70%, they've had their fun, you know, they're in the bottom, the top half of the industry. So it's like, why would I join something else if I've been doing well in this area? So it's just something to put on your mind, not something to, think too hard about, but just understand the unfairness in this particular industry. So when it comes to self-driving truck industry, just know that's going to be a strange area for most people to understand. But just wanted to drop a little knowledge on you guys. Peace.